Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. For today's card, I'm featuring the Party Pandas stamp set. This is a celebration stamp set. You can't buy this, you can only earn it with purchasing $60 of product here in Canada. So I have a piece of Thick Whisper White as my card base, and I am using Post-it, it's like tape. I found it online. It's fantastic. Doesn't rip your paper. You can use masking tape, but I most likely get it all my sponging everywhere. So I am sponging this strip here. It's about 1.5 inches, and I'm mainly concentrating the Lemon Lime Twist ink heavier on the bottom and lighter on top. When you do go to remove the masking paper here, you can definitely see that there is a line, however, both on top and bottom. So on a different piece of Whisper White paper, I have stamped all 3 images of the Party Pandas. They're ridiculous how cute they are. The neat thing about the Party Pandas is that they're kind of easy to color. You don't have to color a lot. The bear that's holding the balloon, I missed a little bit on his rear end, so I'll just go back in with a marker and just color him very well. So I have a strip of black cardstock to which I have used my embossing buddy and stamped the sentiment Happy Birthday, heating it from behind because I prefer to do that, although I'm sure that there's lots of different ways that people like to do it, from the front or the side or what have you with a toaster. Please don't use open flame. Now I am fussy cutting, and it's kind of funny because a lot of people have said that they wouldn't do fussy cutting. I don't mind it. I'm a hairstylist after all. So cutting is kind of what I do. So I don't mind fussy cutting, and I did do a decent job there with my fussy cutting. All right, so I wanted to just trim down a little strip off my strip, and there's a little tip for you. Use some washi tape. Put the little strip that you want trimmed on the trimmer and tape it down. Hello, it took me like 4 years to figure that one out. All right, so now I'm using the Myths and Magic, what is it? Washi tape. I think it's called Myths and Magic washi tape. Yeah, it has a couple of different, it goes with the Myths and Magic suite. And I just adhered that to the front of the card. Now I'm trimming off the excess. And now I'm just going to place my pandas in a fun party type fashion. And I did use a marker to color the balloon, the heart, and the hat. And that is pretty much, oh, and of course I had to go over with the Wink of Stella. Just wanted to remind you all that I will be going live on Facebook Tuesday, which is, what date is that? Tuesday the 13th of March. So I hope you join me there. Links in the description box below. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf to visit my website, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.